The user profile page is looking pretty solid at this point. In this video, we'll finish it up by adding an order history for the user, then making some changes to the checkout system. In the profile template, the order history will be a simple responsive bootstrap table. I'll make it small and borderless. And it will have 4 columns in the head: order number, date, items, and the order total. In the table body, we can iterate through the orders returned from the profile view and generate a row for each one. The order number cell will be a link to a URL we'll create in a moment called order history, and we'll pass it the order number. Also, we'll give this link a title so when you hover over it you can see the whole order number. And then to keep things condensed, we'll pipe the order number into the built-in truncate characters filter to limit it to 6 characters. The order date and grand total are straightforward, so I'll add those here. And now for the items, we'll make it an unordered, unstyled list. For each item in the order's list of line items, let's make a small text summary of it, including the size, if applicable, the product name, and the quantity purchased. There's only one small bit of CSS we'll need for this, and that's just to give it a max height in case the user has a lot of orders. This 416 pixels is the height of the form and the submit button in the adjacent column, so above that height, the order history area will have a scroll bar. We won't be able to open the template now since the order history URL doesn't exist yet, so let's go create that view and its URL. Back in the profile app's views.py, I'll create a new view called order history, and it will take in the order number as a parameter. The logic for it is quite simple. First I'll get the order, which means of course I'll need to import the order model at the top. Then I'll add a message letting the user know they're looking at a past order confirmation, and finally, I'll give it a template and some context, which will include the order number. It'll use the checkout success template, since that template already has the layout for rendering a nice order confirmation, and this way we don't have to redo it. Instead, I've added another variable to the context called FromProfile, so we can check in that template if the user got there via the order history view. With that complete, I'll go create the URL for it. The URL will be order history followed by the order number. It'll return that view and have a matching name. Finally, let's go to the checkout success page, and at the bottom of the order confirmation, I'll check whether the user is coming from their profile page, and if so, render them a button to go back to it instead of the latest deals button that would show otherwise. This button will be the same as the current one, except for its text, its icon, and its URL, so I'll just copy the existing button and update it.